Hey, what is up YouTube? Welcome to the Custom Adventurist. Alright, so this is my 100th video that I've made, and I thought I might just do something different. So, got a Thor's hammer, you know, got the pictures right here if it'll load. So yeah, I'm gonna make the world's smallest Thor's hammer just cause I want to. I think it'd be a fun idea, and yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. And by the way, this is all with hand tools, except for a drill. I don't know if that counts as a hand tool, but that's all I got. Alright, let's get to the video. This is the final product. Bang. Super small Thor's hammer. Oh yeah. This took me about, I would say, 6 hours. So pretty much the whole day for me. And I'm just gonna put some things by it to just show exactly how big it is. There's the air pod. This thing is full metal. Here is a iPhone 6, much larger than it. And here is a watch. Well, I hope that you guys liked this video. If you'd like to see me make any other miniature projects like this, be sure to leave them in the comments. And yeah, make sure to like and subscribe, and peace.